How to install ChatGPT in Windows. Since ChatGPT is available in only browsers, there are no any other option to install ChatGPT as an application or software. But what we can do in Windows is go to your browser and open up ChatGPT account, and after that, you can click on three dots icon here and click on more tools, and you can create shortcut. Rename the shortcut to ChatGPT and click on open as window and click on create. And here you can see the shortcut has been created and you can basically open it. Shortcut B, you do not need to go to your browser and go for the chat.openai.com URL again. You can simply visit the ChatGPT by the help of that shortcut. So this is how you can install ChatGPT on Windows. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.